guys, it's Caleb from Rokblokz. Today in the shop we have this 2025 Maverick R 4-seater. We've got a new trailing arm guard kit to replace the OEM flap. So let's go ahead and show you how to install it. Here we have the tools laid out that you'll need for install. We have a 4mm Allen, a 10mm wrench, and a 10mm socket. Here we have the tag kit laid out. What you'll get in your kit is your flap for that side, and then you'll get your rear mount plate. Then you'll also get the hardware. We'll go ahead and put a breakdown of that hardware on the screen right now. Before we head to the vehicle, we're going to pre-assemble the mount plate to the main flap. To do so, we're going to use our 20mm flathead screws, and we're going to secure it at these outer two holes right here. And we're going to flip that over, placing our washers and lock nuts on those screws. We'll take our wrench and our 4mm Allen, tighten this down, aligning all the holes in the flap. Now with the flap assembled, we can head to the vehicle and begin installing. Here we are at the trailing arm. We're going to begin by removing the factory flap. To do so, we're just going to use our ratchet and our 10mm wrench. Now we're going to set the stock flap to the side along with the hardware, but we will be reusing this mount plate. To begin mounting, we're going to take one of our 50mm button head screws. We're going to slide our 30mm spacer on. We'll hang our flap up on there. And then we're going to take the plate, place that into position, and then we're going to put on a lock nut. We're just going to get that started by hand, and we're going to get all of them in place. We're just going to repeat that same step for all. Take our screw, place through the next hole, put our spacer in between, and then secure it with a lock nut. Now that we've got all our screws in place, we're going to take our 4mm Allen and our 10mm socket, and we're going to tighten that down, starting with the bottom. We're just going to hold that and kind of lift it till it's nice and square, pushing it up against the arm right here. And we'll get that nice and snug, and then we'll move to the next one. And with all those screws fully tightened down, that completes the installation of your Rokblokz offset trailing arm guards. You can repeat these same steps on the other side. Thanks for watching.